As a student, I wanted to have a laptop that would allow me to do all kinds of tasks, from browsing the web to watching YouTube and playing games. But to have a laptop that would give all these functionalities would be huge in size and also huge in money. I was proven wrong by the new HP Envy 14 series, a laptop with a sleek form factor and powerful specifications. It packs an 11th generation Core i7 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, a terabyte of SSD storage, and a dedicated NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti graphic card, and a design so elegant that it meets the eye. I bought this laptop back in January 2022, and after using for almost 2 months, I can say that it had met all the expectations I had with it. Let's start with the screen. The laptop has a 14-inch HD WUXGA IPS screen with a pixel size of 1920 by 1200p. It also has micro edge anti-glare and 400 nits, and it is 100% RGB compatible. The screen is good for everyday use with high brightness levels. The sad thing though is that the screen doesn't get dim enough to be able to use at night. While watching video on demand, HP's picture settings automatically shifts to movie mode. This is a nice feature as it automatically adjusts the lighting conditions according to the content. When most of the laptops of this size sacrifice on speaker size and quality, HP delivered one of the best speakers available, Bang & Olufsen. The speakers are loud and offer crisp and clear sound.
Baby girl, I give me 10 fatness, give me some of that. Thinks with the badness, look how she act. Shape like a death, but I just that. It's a good piece of mental fun that they get. It's a game, I'm in love how you chat. But you never step on the pepper, the way you got. Hey.
Keyboard on this device is good. It has a nice feel to it and it supports backlit keys which help using the laptop at night. A fingerprint scanner is situated right next to the navigation keys. The fingerprint reader is fast and responsive. While the laptops which I have bought in the past had trackpad issues, this device trackpad is smooth and accurate. It features an Intel Precision trackpad and driver. When this machine runs at its peak, there is nothing it cannot handle. I have played GTA 5 in this laptop and the performance is exceptional. It can run pre-2020 games at high quality. The latest games, however, may not run at ultra setting but can be enjoyed at medium to low settings. Here you can see an example of me playing GTA 5. Look how smooth the laptop plays. When using softwares like AutoCAD and Revit, the dedicated GPU helps to minimize lag and offers smooth rendering. However, using GPU on battery power quickly drains the battery and severely affects the frame rates. Due to its small size, the device starts heating quickly when a heavy software is being run. HP's Command Center has different options to tackle the issue. There are few modes available: quiet, balanced, cool, and performance. The users can use the mode according to their choice. I mostly set this feature to balanced. Overall, the device is good for most of the tasks. The laptop features a 4-cell 63.3 lithium-ion polymer battery. On paper, the battery can last up to 13 hours and 15 minutes, but it isn't the case. The battery usually lasts 4 to 5 hours on mixed usage. This is a good battery life with a laptop with huge specifications. However, the GPU tends to drain the battery much faster. I usually plug in charging at 30% and remove the charger at 80 to 85%. The only thing disappointing about this device is that it features the traditional 135 watt smart AC power adapter instead of a USB Type-C charging port option. As far as connectivity is concerned, this device has all the latest adapters inside. It features an Intel Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 combo. The Wi-Fi speed is great. It also features a micro SD card reader, one Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 Type-C support, two high-speed USB Type-A port and an auxiliary port, and an HDMI 2.0 port. The thing that it lacks is an Ethernet port. The device webcam is decent at its best. It has HP's wide vision whose resolution is limited to 720p, but a good thing is that the camera can be turned off and on by using a physical keyboard key. The laptop also features 3 microphones. So in conclusion, I want to say that the laptop handles everything I throw on it with ease. Hence, the question arises now, is this laptop worth the purchase? The answer is yes. If you want to have a laptop which can provide all the features in a sleek and stylish form factor, this laptop is the best choice. I definitely recommend this laptop. As far as the price is concerned, the laptop is available for $1,600 US. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you liked my review of this laptop. If you want to watch more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be posting new videos soon. And thank you very much for watching, guys, and have a nice day.